So let's go ahead and learn how to make cuticle oil. So I am absolutely in love with cuticle oil. It is super easy to make. It's made with all natural ingredients. And what it does is it goes ahead and it hydrates your cuticles. There's nothing worse than when your cuticles get all dried up and then they're all cracky and gross, especially in the winter. So I thought I'd put together this quick video on how you make it. Without further ado, let's dive in and make it. Oh, I did want to let you know, I did put the full recipe down in the description box below. I also put a link to my blog where I go a little bit more in depth about all the ingredients, why we use them, everything like that. So if you want to check it out, that is in the description box down below. Now let's go ahead and make our cuticle oil. So we have castor oil, which is used to help seal in the moisture. Jojoba oil, which mimics our skin's natural oils. For an essential oil, I'm using tea tree oil, which is antibacterial, but you could certainly use something like lavender, which is good for relaxing. And we're using some vitamin E oil to help repair damaged skin. So what you're going to want to do is go ahead and get a mixing container. Add in the castor oil, jojoba oil, our essential oil, and our vitamin E oil. And then we're just going to go ahead and give this a very good mix just to make sure that everything is fully combined. You can choose between two types of containers. One with a nail brush for easy application, or you can use one that's in a roller container, which allows you to smoothly glide the oils onto your cuticles. And I am going to very carefully pour this in here. Now you could probably use a funnel, that'd be a little bit easier, but I just kind of like to pour it. It has a little bit of a pouring spout. And then same thing, we will go ahead and pour it into the other container. Really quick, I just want to tell you how to use cuticle oil. So what you want to do is use it once a day. You can either use it at bedtime right before you go to sleep so it has time to absorb into your skin over the nighttime when you're not washing your hands. Or you can also use it when you get out of the shower, when your cuticles are already hydrated, a little bit moisturized, and this will help seal it in. I really hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoy making and using your cuticle oil as much as I did. If you haven't done so already, be sure you hit the like and subscribe button down below. And give me your thoughts. Do you like the cuticle oil with the nail brush or the roller better? I think I like the roller better. It's got a little bit more in there and it just seems to go on a little bit easier than the nail brush. Let me know your thoughts.